Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen, and today I'm going to do a recipe that I think we should all know how to make, and that's mayonnaise. And it is really simple, I promise you. You need I'm doing it with the immersion method, so I'm going to use my immersion blender and just pull it through the mayonnaise. Okay, we're not adding anything as we're doing that, it's all going in the jug at the time. So we need an egg, we need a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and I've got just about a teaspoon left in there. We need the juice of half a lemon, or approximately 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We need 240 ml of oil. You can use olive oil, but it will make the mayonnaise taste differently. A sunflower oil, a vegetable oil, an avocado oil, something like that. And you'll need a pinch of kosher salt. So let's get you moved and let's get this started. Right then, so we're going to pop our oil. Doesn't matter in which, what's the word? How, which goes in first, doesn't matter. Got an egg. That's going into. We've got our Dijon mustard. Now, as I say, I've just about got a teaspoon left in here. I wouldn't suggest that you use something like English mustard, because it won't work. Well, it will work, but it'll be quite a spicy mayonnaise you've made. So get in our Dijon. Let's make sure I've got a good amount in there. And by a good amount, I mean the amount that I need. Alright, hold on. And this will help me get it all off the spoon. I'm going to use whatever I've got in this jar, because there's no point in just keeping a scrape of it, is there, really? I mean, totally ridiculous. Right. Okay, that jar is empty. Then you need, and I've only put that in there because I dropped it, but actually with the oil it's now helping to get all of that mustard off of the spoon. And then we need our lemon juice, and this is the juice of half of a small lemon. Pinch of kosher salt. I'm just going to let that sit just for a few seconds. Right, and then we're going to put the blender in, and we're just going to leave it at the bottom of the jar until everything starts emulsifying. And now, once it's all emulsified, you can start pulling the mayonnaise up. If your mayonnaise started to split, what you can do is you could add a little drop of water to it, and that will bring it all back together. But let's just show you. There is our mayonnaise. So we need to know, how does it taste, don't we? Right then, let's taste this mayonnaise. It's got a nicer colour because it's not pure white like, shop bought mayonnaise. It's so creamy, and you can taste the salt. So, homemade mayonnaise, absolutely simple. What was it? Egg, oil, salt, lemon. 5 ingredients that I would say most of us have at home anyway. So give it a go. Make your own mayonnaise. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm happy to respond. And if you could give us a hype, that would be wonderful. And please share with all your friends on social media. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.